Hi, my name is Hallie. I'm with the Harris County Office of Homeland Security and Emergency Management. Today we're going to show you how you can make some face coverings out of items you might have at home. Very simple option, no sewing required, is a t-shirt. So if you have an old t-shirt, you're going to want to fold it in half, lining up the edges. And you're going to want to start from the bottom of the t-shirt. You'll actually be able to make a couple of masks out of one t-shirt. So, average person needs about 6 to 7 inches around their face with this type of mask. However, if you're a little bit bigger, feel free to go 7 to 8 inches. First cut you're going to make is straight across. This might be a little difficult as you're cutting through 2 layers of the t-shirt, so just go slow and take your time. Again, this doesn't have to be a perfect straight line, but generally you're shooting for 6 to 7 inches. So we're going to put the rest of the t-shirt away for now. Again, you'll be able to use it to make additional masks if you want. This is the main piece of fabric we'll be working with. At this point, you're going to be wanting to cut the straps out. So you need to think about which side has the open ends. This side is folded over where the crease is, so that's going to be where your face goes. This open side is where we're going to cut from to make your straps. So you're going to go about 5 to 6 inches in. Again, depending on how long the strings are, you may want to go a little bit further. You're going to come in about 1 finger knuckle length from either side, from the top or the bottom, to get the width on your straps. Again, you're cutting through 2 layers of fabric, so just try to go slow. There you'll see you have 1 strap. Don't cut it off, just cut inward. And then we'll do the same down here at the bottom. You don't want to cut too far in or you won't have the mask covering your entire face, which is really important. Now, you're just going to cut across and cut this little piece out. We'll need this piece later, so don't throw it away. So we'll set this to the side. So now you have the basics of a face mask, right? We all know t-shirt material, very stretchy. So we're going to tie knots into the corners to help stabilize this just a little bit. So just loop it through, and as I said, very stretchy, and that's what we want. Pull them as tight as you can on the corners. Do this to all 4 corners. Now, that extra piece of material, you have 2 extra pieces. To get up around your head, we want to make sure we have plenty of neck headroom. So you're going to tie one of those through here. Again, it's going to look a little, excessive, but that's okay. And we're going to do one on this side. Again, the goal is to make sure that this will stay on your head comfortably and cover your entire face. So, as you can see, now we have the face mask. You can open it up and actually put a filter in there if you have one. And we're going to put it on. Again, you need to cover your entire nose and mouth. Just reach up behind your head. It's nice and stretchy, so you should have plenty of room to work with. Bring the bottom one down. Make sure you're covering your mouth. Tie it on the back. Voila! T-shirt mask. No sewing required. So, another option is one of these lovely bandanas. We're going to take this bandana and we're going to fold it in half. The bandana should be square, doesn't matter which way you fold it. We're going to fold into the middle from the one side, into the middle from the other side. For this one, you're going to want to be about 7 to 8 inches out. Ladies, Go find those lovely, plain, stretchy hair ties. Very simple. If you don't have hair ties, you can use rubber bands. You're gonna come in from the side, again, leaving about 7 to 8 inches in the middle. You can fold the sides in. To put it on, you're gonna wanna grip both of these from the side, put it over your face, and around your ears. Now you can adjust it to fit your face. Again, just like the other one, you have the ability to slide a filter into the pocket, if you have one. Again, no sewing required, made from things you have around your house. If you just have some spare cloth or fabric, you can cut a big size square, fold it up, make one of these masks. Very simple. Another option we have is if you have something a little more decorative or fashionable, like a scarf. If it's square, if it's rectangle, it doesn't matter. This one's got a lot more length on it. It's much wider. So again, we're gonna follow the same kind of folding pattern because we wanna create that pocket in the middle. But this time we're gonna use 3 ponytail holders. Again, you're gonna go about 7 to 8 inches in the middle. You're gonna put one around. On each side, come in. Get those nice and tight. Now, instead of folding in, you're going to place directly on your face, over your ears. Then take the back, use this third one to tie it off in the back, since you have excess fabric. Now you can adjust, make it nice and comfy, and voila!